Role of financial management in daily life. Do you want to take control of your finances? Financial management is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling your money. It can help you make informed financial decisions, reach your financial goals, and achieve financial security. Here are a few tips for getting started with financial management. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Create a budget. A budget is a great way to track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Save money. Saving money is essential for reaching your financial goals. Start by setting aside a small amount of money each month and gradually increase your savings as you can. Invest your money. Investing your money can help it grow over time. There are many different ways to invest, so do your research to find the right approach for you. Financial management is an important skill that can help you in many aspects of your life. By following these tips, you can get started with financial management and start to take control of your finances.